There is an upcoming transit that is peculiar as it heralds a rebirth of sorts. You could say it is like a baptism by fire. So at the moment, Venus, Mars, and the Sun are all in the same part of the sky. So Venus and Mars will conjoin the Sun in the exact same spot in the sky, which marks a new cycle for them. And so when a planet goes into the same part of the sky as the Sun, you can think of this like a new moon, but this is called a synodic cycle. And this comes from the Greek word synodos, which translates to union. What is curious about this is that it's not just one, but two planets starting a new synodic cycle at the same time. So you could say that Venus and Mars are walking through the flame, this rebirth together, hand in hand. And when planets are joined with the Sun, sitting at the exact same degree, this is called a cazimi, and this translates to in the heart of the Sun. This is a pivotal moment for any planet, as the time spent being under the Sun's beams can cause a planet to lose its power because the solar rays take over our ability to perceive the planet in the sky. In saying this, there is a breadth of moment when a planet is so close to the Sun that it is considered reborn. And so this is when the planet is 16 minutes or less away from the Sun. This is called cazimi. And this is that important turning point in the cycle because the planet, having recently lost its power and being blinded due to the Sun's rays, is now being reborn or is being purified by fire and will regain its strength shortly after. Ancient astrologers declared cazimi to be a moment of importance, giving bursts of insight that are in relation to the symbolism of that planet. So we are anticipating this with not just Venus but Mars as well. So you want to look to where 17, 18, 19 degrees of Capricorn is in your chart, because this is a double rebirth of our values and ambitions. This calls for a change of pace in the way in which we take action to our values or social groups, and even in the actions that we take to maintain a sense of fulfillment in our life. And in this process, it can feel like a burning out of sorts, as there has been a recent upheaval experienced, an experience of loss, anguish, frustration, but this is all in the short term. So there's a letting go of a system of values and ambitions in order to make room for a new, refreshed, stronger path in that area of life, wherever those middle degrees of Capricorn sits. And it is in this synodic cycle that we gain a fresh, revitalized essence of Venus and Mars.